What's up, guys? Here I have the Vampire. I believe this is a 70mm EDF or a 65mm EDF ducted fan. Let me open my hatch. I'm using a 2200 4S battery. Lots of power, guys. Lots of power. I mean, this thing flies amazing. As you could see, coming in on landing, it was just gliding, but I had to add some extra nose weight up in the nose, right there. Probably can't see it, but there's some extra nose weight right there, so I could get the correct CG. Stop, Jay. My co-pilot is messing with the controls, but flies amazing. I know this airplane been out for quite some time now. Sometimes, instead of buying an expensive airplane and not knowing whether or not it's gonna crash, I go on Facebook Marketplace. Got this really cheap. See, it didn't even come with any of the nose gear, landing gears, nothing, but it flies amazing. It flies beautiful. The sound is like crisp. Sounds really sweet, guys, really sweet. And I'm using my Fly Sky transmitter right there.
Yep.
And it flies pretty good.
Amazing.
Pretty good, right, Jay? How does it fly?
Fly pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. Let's say, how does it fly?
So you just go that way and then you just crash.
Oh, it did a crash. It came in pretty smooth. Me and the previous owner, I think he crashed. Right, we can see right there the table.
Yeah, you see that. So
Yeah, but it flies pretty good. Now using my ailerons and my elevator, and like I said, this thing plenty of power.
You tried to fly in there, and then you tried to fly crazy.
Right, I was trying to fly in it crazy for a little bit, but it has lots of juice in that 2200 milliamp 4-cell battery. Lots of juice. It's not a 3-cell, it's a 4-cell, so it has lots of power.
Flying that way and then you just crash.
No, I didn't crash. I came in pretty good. I think it was pretty sweet. You think it was pretty sweet?
Yeah.
I think it was pretty sweet, but like I said, this is the Viper. For me, it's new because I purchased this really cheap, so I went and got it. And sometimes, you get a good one, sometimes you get a bad one, but you know what? It's not. It's worth a try.
No, you just crashing.
Yeah, I know. This is pretty advanced for a beginner like me, but I was able to fly it. So if I can fly it, you can fly it. You can fly it as well. But like I said, I wasn't punching it. At one point I bring it up to a little over half throttle, but I mostly kept it at half. I wasn't punching it, Let me talk. I wasn't punching it a lot. But like I said, this plane has a lot of power, but it flies pretty sweet. It glides pretty good. And I think this was a pretty good buy. If you find any value in this video, guys, please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified, of my new videos whenever I upload my new videos. And, keep flying. The sky's the limit. God bless. Yeah. Over there. Yeah.
here.
Hmm? Yeah, flying pretty fast.
Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going?
Huh?
Where's he going?
Well, it's going where I'm making it go.
It's making it go. Why is it making it go backwards? Show you. Show you. Go first. Real. It just really fast. Bro.
Come, let's check it out. Come on, Dave. Let's go over here. Alright, put this back on.
Put this back on.
Let's see if we get any footage yet.